How to remove suggested files from Google Drive. So hello guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to remove suggested files from Google Drive. So as you can see, there are suggested folders and suggested files inside here in Google Drive. So you cannot directly change it or remove it because there is no direct option to actually disable such options. So in that case, what you might want to do is just come back to your Google Drive, and first thing what we want to do is just disable this drop down menu, which will automatically hide your suggested files as well as your folders. But you can always just click on this drop down menu back to always view it. So next thing what we want to do, or what we should do instead, is just click on any of the files or folders which you want to select or hide. So basically you can also even select all of the files just like this and simply put it on a singular folder, and simply click on this three dot icon of that particular folder. So let's say in this case I'll be showing over this folder, and once you click on this three dot icon over here, you can just tap on this not a helpful suggestion. So when you tap on this, Google Drive will recognize that you are not wanting to see such files or folders on your suggested files or suggested folders. So and once you do that, after some time Google Drive will soon stop showing such files or folders to your Google Drive. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.